A chaplain is a firstborn and Primaris Marine Specialist Officer of the Adeptus Astartes and serves as the appointed spiritual leader of a Space Marine chapter. Chaplains are the warrior priests that minister to the spiritual and psychological well-being of their fellow battle brothers, instilling in them the values and beliefs of the chapter and promote the veneration or, in rarer cases, the actual worship of the Emperor of mankind. Chaplains lead from the front as awe-inspiring warrior priests, fighting wherever the foe is most fierce, leading their brethren and praising the Emperor through the destruction of his enemies. Rejoicing in the glorious act of war, chaplains exhort their battle brothers to ever greater deeds of bravery and devotion. In battle, the chaplains will be the forefront of the chapter's battle lines, rousing their fellow Space Marines through their words and actions. Their power armor is black and often incorporates Imperial skull iconography, most commonly in the form of a skull-shaped helmet. Most chaplains wield a power weapon that takes the form of a mace and is called a Crozius Arcanum. They are also equipped with an Imperial holy symbol known as the Rosarius. Individual chaplains are assigned to each company within a Space Marine chapter, others including the Rector Clerk, who cares for the chapter's sacred reclusium, and the Master of Sanctuary, who is the chief chaplain of the chapter, and an officer whose rank is usually subordinate only to that of the chapter master himself, operate within the chapter's command structure independently of any specific company. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.